boil 100 grams of noodles, you should have a pot full of water. Let's add some salt to it. After that, let's add the noodles and let them boil. Let's add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to a heated pan, and then let's put 1 chopped onion in it. After the onions cook a little, let's add 300 grams of chopped spinach in the same pan. After the spinach cooks, you should add the drained noodles to the same pan. Following the noodles, let's add 200 milliliters of single cream, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of salt, and grated cheese to the pan. After mixing the ingredients thoroughly, let's transfer them onto a baking tray and spread the mix evenly. Now, let's add 2 beaten eggs on it. If you do not prefer, you can skip the eggs. I am adding them as the eggs elevate the taste. Let's add the remaining grated cheese on it. It will bake at 190 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I am sure you will love the taste of this oven-baked dish. I used a round baking tray with a diameter of 30 centimeters. This dish would serve 4 people. Hope you enjoy it!